Alright guys, so today is surprise. We have some robots for you, and the first up will be this Panda. This was a Christmas gift for one of my kids, and we're gonna assemble it today. So please enjoy, sit back and relax, and we'll see what's going on, how this is gonna work out, what's gonna be inside there. So that's the contents. Dobra, wyciągaj sobie. No to co? Otwieramy. So this is the menu and we'll see how to assemble it. Okay, so these are the parts and that's the instruction how to do it.
Trzeba to rozebrać
Tak.
części.
Dobra, to co najpierw? Popatrz, tutaj masz po kolei
Dobra.
te rzeczy.
To najpierw składamy chyba...
Tutaj. Nie, bo to jest 1, 2, 3, 4. Trzeba po kolei,
dobra,
widzisz?
dobra.
To przesuń się do tyłu troszkę. Alright guys, so we're gonna test the Panda out now. The girl's gonna switch it on and we'll see how it rolls. To co, włączamy?
Tak.
Dobra. Robi. Czekaj, w drugą stronę dajmy. O, robi fikołki, popatrz. Aha.
To się jest za gruba.
What an interesting toy. Dobra.
Już wyłączam ją. Bateria się złożyła? Nie.
So this is the robot up close, as you can see, the on-off switch, and that's how the body looks. Looks like a capsule. It's kind of sturdy. All right. Thanks for watching. See more robots on our channel, guys.